Hey, I have here in front of me something new that I'm really excited to try. I love feeding the birds, and I've never had a camera system to actually capture the birds at the feeder. So, Birdfy is an innovator in camera technology and capturing birds with a great app. This is a dual, that meaning two cameras, very large feeder. So, let's take a look. All about bird watching, right? So, big old thing right here. Nice. Join the Birdfy community. Happy bird watching with Birdfy. And right there is your download, the app to start. So, what we have here is there's a camera 2, Birdfly Cam 2. Let's see what we got. Hose clamps, some straps, screwdriver, toolkit, bird feeder, and a perch. What else we got in here? It's all labeled. Oh, look at that. Solar panel. I wasn't thinking about that. That's how you're going to be able to power your cameras. They actually won a CES award in 2025 for this bird feeder. These cameras actually AI track your birds. I mean, we're talking high tech for a bird feeder. Its dual lens AI tracking locks on instantly, capturing every motion in real time. Everything you expect from a smart bird feeder with camera. So the innovation here is you've got a 1080p camera, gets the full frame, and then you've got a 2K lens camera to get the close-ups, the tights of the feathers, so you can kind of see the magic of the bird. That's what we all want to see anyway. You want to get that nice close-up of that bird. That's what Birdfy can do for you. Well, first take a look at the bird feeder itself. It is really cool, very Jetson-like. Got a nice curve. I like the green. It's heavy. This bracket back here is very stout. You can clear see where all your feed is. Nice little openings for the birds to make sure they can get in there and get that food. All right, now we're going to give it the little perch. Just slides in the top like that. Snaps in. There we go. So here's your two cameras. They are really cute looking and heavy. You know, they got to be waterproof, right? And they're green. One is the 2K, one is the 1080. The initial setup, they do want you to charge the cameras for like 10 hours on your USB-C charger. Now, it comes with the cable, but not the charger. All right, now to install the cameras, pretty simple. One goes here in the middle, like so. The second one is going to go either on the left or the right side, depending on what you want your background to be. If you look underneath, you have some screw holes right here on each side, 2 holes, your bracket, and your 2 screws. Even comes with a handy screwdriver. So what I'm doing here is making sure that the bracket is on the high point. So meaning you want this little L here up, so that you can get the height of your camera to make sure you can see what's happening inside here. All right, we just got a 1/4-20 mounting hole there, and it comes with little thumb screws like so. I want to make sure that we aim the camera to the center, which you can spin that a little bit after you got it on there. Like that. And then let's get our smaller camera on the outside. So here's what it looks like with the 2 cameras mounted. And it's got some girth to it. Now remember, these cameras are going to use AI, so they're going to track, as soon as that bird lands, they're going to identify it, lock onto it, and start sending that data to your app. So basically, the next steps are getting it mounted to your tree, your pole, or what have you. So you've got some options. So you've got a bracket that is very stout that can be screwed to a pole or a tree. It comes with a heavy strap, so that if you have like a big tree or something, that you would run the strap around it. And if you notice here, you've got a little bracket that slips in there like that. So you got a lot of options. So you could take this bracket and screw this obviously right to your surface, and then this will slip in and out. That way you can dismount the bird feeder whenever you need to. And of course, you're going to want to pay attention to level and that kind of thing, and you're going to obviously have access to put the bird seed in it. That would be important, right? It has the solar panel with all this extra cable. So the beauty here is, you know, you're going to get this outside the tree so you can get some sun to keep these cameras going. It comes with a Y cable right here that splits off and runs to each camera on the back, and then just plug your solar panel right into it. You've got some other clamps here, hose clamps, a lot of hose clamps, and you've got an articulating arm here. Let's see what that does. A base, and that is for your solar panel, okay? So you thread your articulating arm into the solar panel, and then you have this bracket here, allow you to attach this to another hard surface, and then the articulating arm gives you the angles to find the sun, because without the sun, you're not going to charge. So I hope you enjoyed this setup of the Birdfy Duo. And look at all their other products. You know, if you don't want to get this sophisticated, there are some much more simpler ones, but I am very excited. I'll get the app going. I'll have another video with the food in it and footage of the birds. We're just getting into that season where the birds are starting to nest, so I need some time in order to get all those fellows in here and start capturing all those special moments.